How to fix highlights not working on Instagram. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are your Instagram highlights not working or not showing up properly? Don't worry. Today I'm going to show you some quick fixes to get your highlights back up and running. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes a weak connection can cause issues with loading highlights. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works. Next, update the Instagram app. Outdated app can also cause problems, so go to your App Store or Google Play Store and check if there is an update available for Instagram. If there is, update the app and try again. Next, clear cache or reinstall the app. If the issue persists, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, tap on Instagram, then go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. For Android, you may need to delete the app and reinstall it from the App Store. Next, make sure your stories are archived. If you don't see any stories in your highlights, make sure your stories are being archived. Go to Settings, tap on Privacy Story and make sure to Save to Archive is turned on. And that's it. These quick fixes should help you get your Instagram highlights back to working again. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.